Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you I know you've been waiting for it. This is going to be all of the club kits for the month of February from Spellbinders. Now, I'm not going to show you how everything works today. I will be doing some videos coming up on all of these wonderful products, but I did want to show you these things real quick. First, we've got the Spellbinders. This is called the Sketched Floral Embossing Folder of the month. And yes, we are doing these humongous embossing folders again for the embossing folder of the month. And I can't believe the price point on this. It is just so cute. I am going to go ahead and run this through my die cutting machine to emboss that real quick because I want to make sure that you guys can see that plate there, well, the look. So let me just remember how this works. I'm not used to my Spellbinders Platinum 6 yet. So and I think the only problem with, oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Okay, now I think you can see it a little bit. But I do know one other thing I can do real quick. And there is a little bit of ink still on it. And just a little bit. I don't want to go too overboard with this. Okay, now I know you can see that. This is just lovely. Oh my goodness. And of course I have to do the whole panel because I am of course going to be using this soon. I love this. And these humongous, and yes, I am using that word, these super huge embossing folders from Spellbinders I am just in love with. I mean, this of course is going to make a great background, or however you want to use it, but it's going to be at least enough for 2 cards. So that is the embossing folder of the month. We put that to the side so I don't lose it. I definitely am going to be using that one. Next we've got the die of the month. This one is the oval stitch and border. So these basically, if you've got these little pieces here that you can stitch, you can do as a border on either side, or if you wanted to, you could you could leave it without it being stitched and just take advantage of the cool detail. But you basically got, let me take this out so you can see this a little bit better. So this piece is the border. So you've got this that you can add anywhere on your card without a border. And then you've got a piece that'll cut on either side. Okay, but it lines up right up against those little flowers. You can do it on either side there. Then we've got 2 separate ovals. We have 2 separate ovals. Okay, so you could add those as a detail anywhere on your card. And each of those has an outer and an inner, so you could maybe make it into a shaker or make it as kind of an outline around your maybe put a sentiment in the middle and then you just want the stitch detailing on the outside, and the same thing with the large one. So I think that is really cool. Or you can layer them all up because they will fit perfectly together. Next we have the Glimmer of the Month set. And this one is called Anytime Glimmer Sentiments. So we've got a lot of pretty little sentiments here. Friends and fun and presents. Friends, fun, and presents. Happy birthday. We've got a different text of happy birthday. This one's script, this one's regular. A note to make you smile. Hello there. Hope your day is full of joy. Thank you. Thanks, you brighten up my day. You brighten my day. Okay, so that's what that one says. Anyway, those are some really nice sentiments that would go great on any card. And then we've got a couple things that really got me excited because, like, oh my god, it's so cute. Here is the stamp and die of the month. So we've got this cute little typewriter and a ton of little typed. These are all in basically a type font to go on the paper that you would cut out. And of course we've got a piece here this is going to cut that out. So you've got all the dies to go along with this set. We've got some florals. This is just so lovely, and I'm thinking it is great to get out to make cards to get out to any of your crafty friends. Or not crafty friends. I think everyone would enjoy that one. This one is the Amazing Grace. Amazing Paper Grace. I always mess up that word for for February, and it is called Marvelous Medallion. So we've got these pieces are, of course, some stems, some flowers. I believe these are bows. And then we've got this piece. It's going to take me a little bit. It looks like it's... Okay, so there's two designs. Actually, it looks like it's layering. So this piece here, I think, is the background. This one is one layering piece. It has a little bit more of the cardstock, and then this one is more intricate. And then we've got this banner and a large intricate die to go on there too. So you could layer them up or however you want to do it, but that's going to be just lovely. So we've got that. And then we've got the club kit, the card kit of the month, which you guys discovered that last month was the first time really that I've even played with a card kit. Now I am hopefully going to be getting into my groove, but let's take a look and see what's inside this thing. Because just like last month, I had not looked at it prior to opening it up for you guys. So again, we've got our cards and envelopes. I believe there's probably 10. Yes, according to the cheat sheet, there are 10. We've got a bunch of little ephemera, which according to this looks like there's probably going to be a lot of florals. I do like that one. If that's in there, that's kind of cool. It's a person with an umbrella. I like that. We've got some more tape and some floral dies and sentiments. A bunch of little chipboard frames. That's going to be cool to play with. Got some cute little chipboard pieces. I love the coffee. Oh, and a Hugs Bingo card. That is too cute. And some tickets and the swans. This is so sweet. Okay, we've got, again, some more of those. These actually look different than the last month. Last month, I think they were more opaque. These, although they are still iridescent, they look like they're clear iridescent sequins, so that's pretty cool. And then we've got this stamp set that's got a lot of little sentiments on there. Sending loving thoughts, miss you, let's catch up soon, I miss your smile, you are the truest of friends. See, I'm reading a lot faster since it's frontwards, it's not backwards, so. The clouds will clear and the sun will shine. I really like that one. I'm here for you, never lose hope, on my mind and in my heart. You can text me anytime. Love you. And then there are a couple of little florals there too. So that is sweet. We've got some more of the little foam dots and some more of the Spellbinders cardstock. Oh, yay! We got more of that gold. Now, I'm thinking this is a lot different than the other gold that I have in my stash. The gold cardstock I have in my stash, most of it is paper. This is heavy duty and double-sided and lovely. And I'm thinking that this is made out of, I'm thinking it's actually made out of metal on top. Like maybe it's gilded or something, I'm not sure. But after I used it on my last cards, oh goodness, I'm going to have to do a comparison and I'm going to have to order me a bunch more of that. And then we've got some more cardstocks from Spellbinders, which means I'm going to have to start sorting them all by color at some point. White, a dark navy blue, that is lovely, and it does look a bit pretty close to my suede shoes. Suede shoes looks like it might actually be a little bit lighter. We've got some purple, some sunny yellow, pink, a light blue, a dark pink, and a green, and those are lovely. And these all feel like they are heavyweight cardstock. And that's everything that's in the kit, other than we've also got, as always, a little 6x6 paper pack, as if I didn't already have enough paper, but you know. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Just looking at the front, I already like those designs. Got a lot of pretty colors in there. So these are all springtime colors. We've got some pinks and purples, and that one looks a little bit fuchsia. And I am starting to like kind of the tone on tone, or almost, there were some that I used last month that were like white paper or white-ish paper with some, let me see if that made it worse. White-ish paper with some black print, and I thought, oh, that actually looked really, really good behind some of the more colorful images. So we've got this floral. This one's more geometric. some stripes, and I am not flipping very well. Another floral. Ooh, I like those leaves. Some stripes, pretty little rainbows, clouds, and these are like really faded out, so it's like they blended out really well along the edges. We've got some wood grain, some more greenery, some butterflies. Another one with stripes that to me looks kind of wood grain. Some cute little birds. Oh, that is pretty. This one, it looks like it's got kind of a watercolory effect, and it's got these pretty flowers. Really like that. Oh, another one with text. I love the text. More flowers, raindrops, a map, some flowers. And so we're back at the beginning, so you do get 2 sheets of each of those patterns. So that is it for the card kit. So that is a bunch of stuff again in this kit. I am absolutely loving it. So I'm going to be making a bunch of videos in the next few days using all of the club's products, so be sure to check that out if you want to see what I did last month with all of the fun things. Here is a playlist to all of my Spellbinders videos. Check those out and let me know what you think. You guys have a wonderful day, and remember, if I can make it, you can too. See you next time.